Hi, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scrap the TikTok videos. Okay, so if I show you, there are three different types of formats where you can see the video. So this is the search video. Okay, I just search something and it goes up. Okay, so if I go to my other browser, I just search for the hashtag like this, and this is different page. Okay, I can even open specific profile as well. So if you want to scrap all of these videos, whatever the page format is, like it, whether it is a specific profile or whether it is based on a hashtag or whether it is based on search query, okay, like this. If you want to scrap all of these videos without having watermark, you just need to follow this video. Okay, because I am running a tool because I have built a specific tool that can scrap the videos from the browser and it can download into your file explorer like this. Okay, so if I open my file explorer, you will be able to see how it look like. Okay, I will just go to my TikTok. Okay, I will just open my TikTok to Snapchat uploader, okay? And if I go on downloads, you can see all of the videos are without having watermark. If I open this video, it would be without watermark. Okay, there is no watermark of the TikTok. If another video, it has no watermark on this, okay? So all of the videos are scrapped without having watermark. So how you can run this tool? So if I open the specific thing, like if I open the specific video URLs, how it look like. So basically you can scrap three types of pages. Okay, you can scrap specific account page, you can scrap specific videos from the search term, like I search this LeBron James. Okay, okay, and the third, you can do the search for the specific hashtag. I did search for funny. You can put strange, you can put amazing or something, any hashtag you can put it here. Okay, and you can do anything. You can just browse any page on the TikTok. Okay, I just browse like this page. You can search anything here. Okay, and then you can scrap the videos. So let's scrap the videos from this page. Okay, I will just copy it. I will go to my tool. I already run the tool. Okay, python scrapper.py. Now it's asking me to press the enter because the browser is already open. I will just press the enter. Okay, I just pressed the enter. Now it will ask me whatever format I want to scrap. So now let's. Okay, now it's asking whatever format I'm using. So I'm using actually the third one because I copied the URL already for the search term scrapping. So I will put 3 here. Okay, now it's asking me to put the video URL that I just copied from here. I will just put it here like this. And now I will hit enter. Okay, now it's asking me how many likes threshold you want. Suppose that if you want to scrap or download only videos that have at least 50 likes, I will just hit enter 50. Okay, so it will only scrap the videos that have at least 50 likes. I will hit enter. Now it's asking me how many videos you want to scrap. So suppose that if I want to scrap only 5 videos, I will put 5 and I will hit enter. And now it's loading the video. Okay, and it will scrap the video one by one. So let's wait for it. Okay, now I just hit enter and now let's wait how it scrap the videos. Okay, so it's checking likes for this video. So now it will obviously process each video one by one. It will check the like if it matches with our threshold for the likes because I put 50 for there. So I need only videos that have at least 50 likes and then it will scrap that video. So now let's wait for it. Okay, now you can see it checked the likes and everything. It's added one video and now it will do one by one. Now it added second one and so on. It will add one by one and after that it will scrap all of the videos. Okay, so now let's wait for it. Now you can see it already added 4 videos and now it's only looking for the 5th video. And after that, now you can see target reach. Now it will put each video one by one in this website and it will click on download and it will download into our download folder. So now you can see it's automatically downloading all of the videos one by one, and there is no need to click on manual download button. So this is how it's working. This is working very fast, and there is no need to put any time or efforts in downloading these videos, because this is downloading without any watermark. So even I will obviously show you as well. So now let's wait for the fifth video to download as well, and then I will show all of the videos one by one. Okay, now download has been started. I will just open the folder. Okay, and I will show you. You can see there is no watermark, and the video is playing very well without any watermark. Now you can obviously put these videos on your Snapchat or on your YouTube or anything that you like, because it will not get any type of copyright. So this is how this tool works. So you can see other videos also downloading. Okay, not only depends on your internet speed. If internet speed is good, it will scrap in few seconds only. Okay, perfect. That is okay. This one as well. So this is how this tool works. If you want this tool, you can message me on my WhatsApp, and I will obviously set up this tool on your on PC, and you can scrap unlimited videos without getting any watermark. So that's it for this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Have a good day.